You already know you need to be washing your face and moisturizing, and you probably do, but you still break out. You still get acne. This is because you're committing 8 skincare mistakes that's destroying your progress. So, if you want healthy skin, watch this video and never do any of these 8 skincare mistakes. 1. You're applying products in the wrong order. This is the correct order to apply your skincare to get that healthier, glowy skin. Because if you just wash your face and then apply moisturizer, you're doing it all wrong. The order in which you apply these skincare products matters because it prepares your skin for the next step. So, you start with cleanser. This will remove bacteria, oil, and dead skin. You want to make sure you use a silicone scrubber when you do so and not your hands because your hands are filled with bacteria. Second, you apply the toner. Third is a serum. This is your specialty cream that's packed with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or vitamin C to treat dark spots and rejuvenate your skin. You can actually even enhance absorption of the serum using red light therapy, which I use through that same silicone scrubber just through the back. This is from PMD. 4, then it's the eye cream. 5, the spot treatment. 6, it's the moisturizer. This is what's gonna lock in the hydration in all the products you just applied so they don't evaporate. And 7, sunscreen as the final layer of protection for your skin. By you just fixing the order that you apply your skincare products, you're gonna notice a huge difference in your face and the health of your face and realize why, after years of you trying to have perfect skin, it just wasn't working. And that's what I want you to realize with this video. I have 7 more mistakes you're committing without even realizing it that's stopping your progress to having perfect skin. Number 2, using ice on your face. Skin icing is the worst skincare trend from 2024, and not because it doesn't work, it's because most people are doing it wrong. Ice is insanely cold at about 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If you use it incorrectly, it's going to disrupt your skin's natural barrier, cause irritation, and even lead to dryness. And no one told your boy this when I first started doing this, so when I first started using it, my skin was getting really irritated because I was using it too frequently. So I'm going to show you how to use it the right way and get the most results from it. Start by filling your ice roller mold with clean filtered water. Avoid using tap water as this can be filled with contaminant. Next, you're gonna add an ingredient based on your skin type. If you have oily skin, I want you to add green tea, as the tannins in green tea will help regulate your oil production. If you have dry skin, I want you to add cucumber, as the vitamin C will hydrate your face as you're icing it. Once your ice roller freezes, you're gonna use it gently on your skin on circular motions in 3 key areas: your forehead, your jawline, and your cheeks. You wanna make sure you don't use it for more than 5 minutes and only do this process once a week. 3, avoiding using retinol. If you're like me, you want to keep your skin looking youthful as long as possible. Retinol is a powerful skincare ingredient known for its anti-aging and anti-acne properties, but it is not for the weak. It hurts if you don't use it right. Now, thankfully, you got your boy. And if you follow my 3-step guideline for using retinol correctly, the only side effect you'll have will be perfect skin. First, when you start using retinol, start slowly with a low concentration. You want a retinol concentration between 0.1 and 0.3% to allow your skin to start building tolerance to avoid that irritation. Second, you're gonna pair retinol with red light therapy. Retinol is great on its own, but if you wanna amplify its benefits, like boosting collagen production and achieving Botox-like, firmer, perfect skin, red light therapy is a game changer. Red light therapy, it promotes collagen production and improves skin elasticity. This is what will leave your skin smoother and more youthful. The retinol helps thin out and even the top layer of your skin, allowing the red light to penetrate even deeper. Now, the problem with the red light is that it's expensive. It's a luxury. Sure, you could spend $3,000 to $4,000 on red light panels like Brian Johnson uses, but I don't want you to. Nor should you have to spend that much. Instead, I recommend the PMD Clean Revolution. I've been using this for over a year now, and this is a face silicone scrubber, and in the back, it has a red light panel, so after you're done with your skincare process, you can easily use it, and it's a fraction of the price. It's not gonna cost you $3,000 or $4,000. It's literally gonna cost you 1/20th of that price, plus your boy has a discount, so it's gonna make it insanely affordable. But when you use a red light, you're gonna increase absorption of retinol, which also prepares you for the 3rd step. You're gonna use the buffering technique to avoid dryness. Retinol can cause dryness and flaking, especially in the first weeks of use. If you wanna minimize irritation, you wanna try the buffering technique. You're gonna start by applying a very thin layer of moisturizer to your skin. Next, you will apply the retinol on top of the moisturizer. And finally, you will add a 2nd layer of moisturizer on top of the retinol for ultimate hydration. This method will make the retinol a bit less potent so you don't feel the pain that retinol can cause. But honestly, you might not even have to do this if you start using red light therapy with your retinol, as red light therapy will boost your skin's healing process. It will reduce inflammation, truly giving you those anti-aging perfect skin benefits. That's why Brian Johnson spends millions a year, and part of his protocol is using red light therapy, and you can have a similar morning routine for an extremely low price. If you guys want to check out PMD Revolution, look, I recommend every man to have a facial scrubber, but why not have a facial scrubber that also has red light therapy built into it? If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. There's also going to be a special discount code that's going to make it an absolute steal. If I were you, I'd run and pick this up. 4, you gotta stop shaving like this. Here is a very common shaving mistake I see most guys make and how you can easily fix it. Every time you get ingrown hairs or razor bumps, it's a clear sign that you're damaging your skin. Most of you get this because you don't change your razor blades regularly like you should be. And look, I don't blame you. They're expensive. So, an easy solution is to keep your blade sharp using jeans. Grab a pair of jeans you don't wear anymore and drag your razor going down. On a microscopic level, this process will remove rust buildup and expose a fresh, sharp blade, making your blade good as new and avoiding you getting those nicks, cuts, or ingrown hairs. Number 5, the way you sleep is destroying your face. If you sleep on your side or on your stomach, bro, your face is cooked. Research shows that these specific sleeping positions put direct pressure on the blood vessels of your face, limiting natural fluid drainage under the eye area, causing under eye bags and dark eye circles. Additionally, when you sleep this way, it can unevenly deplete collagen and elastin from your skin, making your face look asymmetrical. So, the best sleeping position, so you can look as attractive as possible, is to start sleeping on your back with your head slightly elevated. This position promotes blood flow, prevents fluids from sitting under your eyes, and also keeps your face symmetrical. By now, you've already realized you weren't applying products in the right order. You were icing your face, but damaging it at the same time. You've never used retinol, therefore you've never seen perfect skin. You were shaving incorrectly, even sleeping incorrectly. And all of this is what's causing you to have imperfect skin. Thankfully, you got your boy that's showing you all of these mistakes so you can finally have acne-free skin you've always wanted. But I don't want you to stop here because there's 3 more skincare mistakes that most of you watching are probably making, and you need to stop immediately. 6, you're using the wrong cleanser for your skin type. If you can't get rid of acne, even though you wash your face every day, you need to make this one change immediately. Using a cleanser that goes against your natural skin type can compromise your skin's natural barrier, which will clog your pores, furthermore causing acne. First, we need to determine what your skin type even is with the T-zone test. First, you're gonna put water on your face and then let it air dry for around 60 minutes. And let's see how your skin reacts. If your face is all shiny still, that means you have an oily skin. If you come back and your face is completely dry, that means you have a dry skin type. Once you know what your skin type is, this is the ingredient you need in your cleanser. If you have oily skin, you should be using a foaming cleanser with a key ingredient like salicylic acid. If you have dry skin, you need a non-foaming cleanser with a key ingredient being hyaluronic acid. And remember, whatever cleanser you use, you want to amplify the results to actually get clear skin and remove acne. Use a silicone scrubber. Silicone is naturally antibacterial and will penetrate deeper to unclog those pores. If you're still using your hands, that's why you're breaking out, and that's why I recommend the PMD Revolution. This is a facial cleanser that also has red light therapy in the back, and it's the best tool that a man can have in their bathroom. If you guys want to check it out, remember, it will be linked down below. 7, you need to stop removing blackheads like this. Don't use nose strips to remove blackheads. You're literally destroying your skin. Sure, you might remove blackheads when you first use it, but you're also damaging your skin's protective layer, which is what's causing more blackheads to reappear. A smarter and more effective approach is using a salicylic acid mask that contains anywhere between 2 and 4% salicylic acid. This is a potent salicylic acid formula that will break down dead skin cells and any excess oils that's clogging your pores and causing the blackheads. 8, avoid these moisturizer mistakes at all costs. If you apply your moisturizer like this, you need to stop immediately. When it comes to applying moisturizer, you got 2 types of guys. The first guy will put moisturizer on their hands and then they just spread it all over their face. This is fine, but it's not ideal. The second guy is the one that applies it the way that it's intended, using these specific 2 tricks that gives him better hydration. First, you never apply moisturizer to dry skin. Sure, you might ask, Jose, isn't the whole point of moisturizing to hydrate my dry skin? Well, yes, it is, but your face needs to be at least somewhat damp so the moisturizer can work with that water and seal it and hydrate it against your skin. Second, never rub it and apply it onto your palms. You don't have to rub it to activate it. Doing this would just end up hydrating your hands more than your face. It's best to apply it to your fingers, evenly distribute to your face, and then massage it in. By making these adjustments and stopping these 8 skincare mistakes, I promise you, you will have perfect skin.